Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that right after the market opening, gold is showing a little weakness and right now market is standing at 1934, 1935 level. In fact, just in the morning, I received many messages from people that gold has made a low of 1920, 1921. If you also have an account in XNES or some other brokers, then maybe your chart is showing that gold has made a low of 1920, 1921. But if you check with other brokers, then you will see that market did not make any low of 1920, 1921. I don't want to comment publicly, but this is the main reason I have been recommending GTC for last couple of days because this is something that you don't want as a trader. I want to get into legal purpose. I don't want legal notices, so I will not stretch further. But again, I'll say that my dear friends, as a trader, okay, if you're looking for a reliable option, then not only GTC, you can look for other options as well. But yes, I have ties with GTC, so if you want, then you can go ahead. You can see GTC is a STP broker, so your orders are directly placed on the market. If you visit the website, you'll find the benefits. Okay, the link is in the description, and if you open your account through my link, then the broker will provide you a leverage of 1 is to 2000. And apart from that, you also get capital protection, no commission. Deposit and withdrawal methods are very good, and most importantly, GTC is also a regulated broker. Okay, anyways, if you already have your account with any other reliable broker, then you can obviously continue. Okay, that's your personal choice. But yes, again, I'll repeat that this is something we don't want. Okay, because yes, we know it very well that Forex is a decentralized market. Yeah, what Forex is a decentralized market. So as a result, okay, it is very easy for brokers to manipulate the market. Okay, and market manipulation is a bitter reality. Many big names, okay, many big names manipulate the market. In fact, when gold made the high of 2080, okay, when gold made the high of 2080, there are certain brokers, big brokers, okay, on which whose chart gold did not make the high of 2080. In fact, you can see I am on the chart of gold here. Okay, and let me take you to the daily time frame. You can see um, here when gold made the high of 2080 in your chart, in my chart, gold made the high of how much? You can see gold made a high of only 2065 or 2066. So this is also something you should be aware of, that market is not very beautiful. Okay, there are some bitter realities about a market, and as a trader you should be aware of it. Okay, so anyways, my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because on Saturday we discuss in detail, and overall we can see the levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid and nothing has changed so far. And if you look at the market sentiment and we go to the news, you can see dollar firm ahead of US inflation data. Gold hovers near a 3-week low as dollar firms focus on US inflation data. So, and if you look at the dollar chart, then you can see that news is telling something else, but and dollar chart is telling something else. Yes, DXY is not going down, and in our previous video also we discussed about the possibility of DXY going up. Technically we have a gap around 106.60 and market doesn't like gaps. High chance that market will be going higher in the coming days to fill the gap. But tomorrow we have CPI coming up. Just like NFP, CPI is also a big event. So there is a high chance that till CPI, market will remain sideways, market will remain choppy. Be careful with your breakout and breakdown trades. So if DXY goes up also, as discussed, the next resistance on DXY will be around 106.20, and then DXY will be heading towards 106.60 and the gap will be filled here. But I don't think so before CPI DXY will be going higher, because right now we can see that market is not in a particular direction, market is indecisive. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. And usually we don't get to see much volatility and volume during the first half of Monday. Maybe by the US session we will get to see some volatility and movement, and we will have to trade accordingly. Now let's look at the chart of gold. As I said, levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Nothing has changed so far. So you can see the market is still lingering around the previous low of 1933, 1932 level. If you have any ongoing position on the chart of gold, continue the position. No need to exit. If you have a buy around this level here, be on the trade, because during the day maybe market will show some upside. On the other hand, if you already have a buy somewhere around 1950, 1960 and you are trapped, अगर आप फंसे हो, if you are trapped right now, then also I'll say that hold the position, because there is a good chance that market will be going up. I'm not talking about read. I'm not talking about any trend reversal here. Market structure is very weak here. Market structure is bearish, but at least you will get a chance to exit when the market will try to recover. Let's say if you have a buy at 1960, 1970, I'm not saying the market will go to 1960, 1970, but at least when market will be going towards 1945, 1946 level, at least you will get a chance to exit with less loss. Okay, so where shall we trade then? First of all, the resistance level that we discussed around 1950 to 1952 is still very much valid, and 1950, 1952 seems to be the best level where we can look for a sell position. We have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we will also be having psychological resistance. Along with that, we also have dynamic resistance here, 1950 to 1952 level. But if we go to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes, my dear friend, and if we draw FIBO from here, now you can see that on the 15 minutes time frame, though it is a lower time frame, not very reliable, but still here also we can see that market is more or less respecting FIBO here. And under low volatile situation, yes, under low volatile situation, we can also expect that the FIBO 38.2 will also work. Why? Because FIBO 23 also worked here. So our FIBO setup is correct. So if the market doesn't show craziness, we can expect market to reverse from here. How much? 1945, around 1945, 1946, market will face some resistance. If market reverses, if you see market is showing price rejection from below, you can hit the sell button. Overall, the market is bearish. There is no doubt about it. The structure is bearish. In fact, the market sentiment is also not very positive right now. If any news comes out, that's a different thing. But right now, the things are not very positive for gold. As a result, it is better and safer to be on the sell side only. But as we have already seen on Saturday, that if market breaks 1930 level, it is little bit riskier for us to take a sell position, because we have a good number of contracts standing at 1925. But the problem is that 1925 and 1930 will act as support for the market. Just like 1945, 1950, we saw a big struggle around 1945, 1950. So as a result, if you take a sell position below 1931, 32 level, and if you think the market will continue to downside, then it is a little bit riskier. After 1925, yes, market will be heading towards directly 1900 level, because in between that we do not have any major level that will come for rescue. But right now we have the 1925 level. So if you are planning to take a sell below 1932, 1931 level, you can go for a sell. Obviously, I'll also go for a sell if I see a big red candle. But obviously, you need to be careful. How much you can expect? Be a scalper. Try to go for quick entry and exits. It will be a better thing to do right now. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. And if you're looking for analysis on Hindi language, then please subscribe to the Hindi channel. The link is in the description. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Be careful. Bye bye. Take care. Do not gamble with the hard-earned money. Happy Diwali, my dear friends. You can see that I have a different background because I have come to my native place, Assam. That's all. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy.